Hello viewers and welcome to my channel, Review Information. Instagram Stories has a new arrow tool, and in this video I will show you how to use it.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
Make sure you have the updated Instagram app to get this tool. To begin, open the Instagram app. Now tap on the camera icon from the top left corner to create a new Instagram story. You can capture a photo, or you can choose a photo from your gallery. To get the arrow tool, go to the marker tool from the top. You have a bunch of options on the top. From the list, select Arrow tool. Choose the color you want from here. Now drag your finger on the screen, and let go. It will make an arrow for you. This arrow tool basically let you point anything. Now change color, and try again. So it's a very cool way to design your Instagram story, with arrow tool. You can also use this arrow on any sticker. Now set this as your Instagram story. In this way, you can use Instagram Stories' new arrow tool. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.